So you're looking for a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in Yuba City, California? Well, you've come to the right place, as I'm going to take you through an open house that I'm doing today for one of my listings. So let's do it. If this is your first time to the channel and you'd like to stay informed about the current market in the Greater Sacramento Area, then please subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications. So my name is Carla and I'm with Gold Roof Realty. I would love to have the opportunity to help you buy or sell your home in Yuba City or the Greater Sacramento Area, so please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. Well, today is a pretty windy day. As you can see, my hair's flying all over the place. So I wish you could be here with me today, but since you can't, we're gonna do a little video tour of the open house today. So let's take a look. So before we go in the house, I just wanted to point out the orange tree that you can see right over there with oranges on it, the 2-car garage, the Japanese maple right in front of the house, and here's this beautiful fruitless mulberry tree that's right in front of the house. That's nice shade for the summertime. It's just keeping the leaves raked up can be a real chore. Let's take a look inside the house. So again, it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home built in 1966. It has had some updates. Here's the entryway, and we have installed hardwood floors in the house. And what we're looking at right now is a dining room. As you walk in, you would see this is just a separate dining room from any other room in the house. It has a nice view of the backyard, and this house sits on almost 1/4 acre. So it has plenty of room back there for gardening and planting some fruit trees. I'm going to pan around here and show you the sunken living room as you walk in the front door, and the vaulted ceilings, as you can see. And I'm going to go through this little doorway, which will lead us into the family room. I have the back door open, so it would make it easy for me to take you to the backyard. So it hasn't been landscaped, but it has potential. So here's the backyard. Like I said, the whole property sits on almost 1/4 acre. It's a nice patio area for barbecues. Nice large area for planting fruit trees or putting in a vegetable garden. And now we're going to go back inside the house. So we come in here, we're going to see the kitchen. There is electric cook stove here, but there is gas outlet, gas line inside of the house that you could hook up gas if you wanted to. All right, it's going to go through the dining room here. And down the hallway, let's go take a look at the bedrooms. So bedroom off to the right here. Yeah, somebody liked purple. I think this is a child's room, and so the walls are lavender or something like that, a light blue or something. And the trim is this purple. Lots of purple. And then right across the hall is another bedroom. Pretty basic here. And then this closet here is where the HVAC unit is. And this closet over here is a linen closet. Here's the 3rd bedroom right here. And this one's painted very blue, as you can see, on 2 of the walls. This has a beautiful view of the front yard with a mulberry tree. Closet here. And here's the common bathroom we're going to go into next, right at the end of the hall. Here's the double sinks here, and the toilet, and the bathtub with shower ability as well. Okay, let's go take a look at that master bedroom. So as we walk into the master bedroom, you'll see that it has a nice big window back there with a view of the backyard. And then 2 closets here. There's plenty of room to hang things. This is something they did in the 60s apparently, but we've got a sink outside of the toilet area. And inside the bathroom area we have a toilet, and we have a stand-up shower here. So no tub in here, just a shower. that's right off of the bedroom here. So that's it for our tour today, but I want to tell you a little bit more about this area. So this house is in the southeast part of Yuba City. And this particular neighborhood is a very peaceful neighborhood according to the neighbors. It's also within walking distance to an elementary school if you're interested in having children here, if you want to raise a family here and send the kids to school. It's right down the street. And Lindcrest Elementary is the name of the school there. Very good school, very involved with the families and family oriented, great teachers there. And they were not too far from restaurants. We're right very close to Highway 99, so if you want to get on the 99 and commute to Sacramento to go to work, you could. If you want to go into town to go shopping, Winco's just right at the 99, not too far. Rayleigh's is a little bit past that, and that's probably about 5 minutes away. And you're probably about 10 minutes away from the larger shopping center with Walmart and Ross and Marshall's, Home Depot, Lowe's. What I want to tell you about Yuba City is there's plenty of places to eat. It's every kind of restaurant you can imagine here in Yuba City. So if you're wanting to go out to eat, you like doing that, you have plenty of options right here in Yuba City. You don't have to go to Sacramento. And Yuba City is known for their Indian food. So if you come to Yuba City, you've got to check out their Indian food. My favorite so far has been the Taj restaurant. So if you like Indian food, check out the Taj. And if you have any other questions about Yuba City, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so that I know you liked it. And until then, I will see you around town.